Because weight loss isn't a quick fix, it's an actual journey. It's so much easier when you've got people cheering you on. So in the TrimRX community group, you see others on the exact same path as you. So they celebrate with you when you lose 6 pounds. They cheer you on when you post a picture of your transformation. You're surrounded by people who are actually genuinely happy for you. And that kind of encouragement makes a huge difference. They actually prescribe the same proven GLP-1 ingredients as with name brands. So the semaglutides and the tirzepatides, which quiet the food noise, they stabilize your blood sugar, they help you feel full on smaller portions. That's why people are finally seeing real and lasting results.